compile this and just hit either yes or no for this. Doesn't really matter. There you go. We have our two eyes. And you might have questioned why I used 20 and 10 here. Well, the width of each circle is 10, which is the width here. So the center of the circle here is going to be 50 minus 15. The center here is going to be 50 plus 15. So, but since I don't want to draw them at the center, this is the X, so it needs to go in the top left corner of the circle. I have to subtract another 5, and from here add another 5, which is half of the width, which is the radius. File, view. Uh-oh. One of the eyes is in the wrong place. Oh. Plus 15 minus 5. And there you go. There's your circle with its eyes. And now G dot draw arc. Arc? What is it? I think it's X, Y, and then with height.
Not sure. I'll try this. 50 minus 20. And then 50 plus 10. And then width is 40. And 20.
Looks like I'm going to have to go look in the API. So, stop this, favorites, overview. Oh, we have X, Y, width, height, start angle, and arc angle. Okay, so the angles are in degrees. This is going to be kind of complicated. So, let's see. You see there, I drew it the wrong direction. So, dang it. And there's a smiley face. It takes a while to get used to figuring out where to place stuff in your head, but you just gotta practice. That's the only thing I can say. Just a lot of math that you gotta figure out in your head. So if you don't like math, programming is probably not for you. Okay, and people might be wondering how to animate this. So, if you want to animate this, best way for you guys to do it now is, I guess, make a while loop. You guys don't know how to do a thread delay yet, but I'll just give you the code for now. Yeah, don't worry about what all this means. You can just type it in if you want to draw this stuff. And let's see, what should we animate this thing to do? Oh, first thing you have to do is you gotta remember when you're drawing on a graphics canvas, you're just adding stuff on every time. So if you want to animate something, you're going to have to draw a white screen, draw your text, and then wait a little bit, and then draw your white screen again, and then quickly draw your stuff again, and then wait a little bit, and it'll look like whatever you're drawing is moving. So we'll set the color white for the background. And then we're going to draw a rectangle, a white rectangle. 0, 0, and then it'll go to 100, 100. Yeah, that's pretty good. This sleep number here, you can just make it as big or as small as you want. I'm going to make it 500. It just means wait. And then this I is simply just counting. So, well, actually, let's make it a Boolean. So if you can see here, blinking equals not blinking. It's simply, if blinking's true, then blinking becomes false. If blinking's false, then blinking becomes true. It's a switch, kind of. So if not blinking, so it'll only draw the big black circles for eyes if it's not blinking. And run. And you see, now you have a blinking smiley face. A very sad graphics blinking smiley face. But with some thinking and math, you can figure out how to make it do much more complicated things. Okay, there is my simple tutorial on Applet Graphics. Next comes graphical user interface. Yeah. Okay, so see you guys next time. Now, how to animate this?